So it's 11/27, October the 9th, but in the Philippines it is October the 10th, 2025. Just to confirm, what God was telling this little girl was correct, and so the dream is super on point.
God says that the workers of iniquity, they worketh in the dark shall be shown in the light. Okay, so that's what I believe God is allowing us to do, is have this information now, to be putting it out, to wake other folks and the inner workings of the beast system and how it works. So let's get to the little girl's video, okay? And the dream she was given to her on September the 18th. I find this very fascinating as well. When you go back and chew on that meat, see it? That's probably why we don't discern it right off. We're not chewing it. You know, we're looking right off. We're not chewing it.
So let's start off with the message that I got from God. So on September 18, before I slept, I heard God spoke to me. On October 10, there will be a big disaster.
So this is my video from 2020. Big disasters happen, folks. 3 large earthquakes on that Pacific Rim, and the Philippines just got hit with a 7.6. I'm gonna have all these videos clipped together. Next video I'm gonna put up is going to be about the Philippines getting ready to have possibly a tsunami. You take a look at this map. 3 big ones, and come down here and look at 7.4. This was an hour ago. Okay, now check this one out. A 6.2. So folks, the birth pains are getting huge again. So I just want to give you guys a quick update, and let's see if we can get this one to pop up.
So what is this that you're living next to?
Come on, let's see.
Very nice to meet you.
Let's come out of this. We got something, and these are the earthquakes we were talking about, possibly getting huge. Okay, so let me see if I can get back to the other one. This is the one I want to click on, but it won't let me click.
This is a lot. Well, obviously,
There we go.
up for some time now. No one lives here, right?
So you had a 5.1. Look at that. A 7.6. Okay, let me get my pen out.
I can do that.
Hold up. There we go. So they come in 3s, right? Well, this is huge, folks. And I'm gonna put together another video, but you know, I'll attach it to this one. But it's, wow, look at this. Here what we got. Okay, what did I say the other day? Are we gonna have a big one before? I think we are. So check these videos out after. I'm gonna link it to this one, but it's gonna be in different language. They are already starting to see the sea pull back, okay, which means there's a tsunami coming.
Kini nga hunas ni, mura ni og hunas sa ni kahapon.
Nang alauna para kagahapon. Alauna man mina kagahapon dire.
Kuni hunas. Oh, nagkaroon linog mo to sa
Perting kusuga sa linog jud. Ganiha bagay gamay ra kay hunas ba? Karon kalit na oh.
Ay, saka na oh. Ay, tubo na. Saka nagbalik.
Tanawan ninyo ni kay ganiha. Napay tubig pag linog. Hubas ang kabatuan ba?
Bulo. Na.
Oh.
Anga na. Balik do, tara.
Tsunami! Abe! Lord! Lord! Ay! Joan, linom!
No, nag-draw. kasi yung daan. Biyahe tayo eh.
Oh! Grabe linog! Hey! Grabe kusuga! Hey! Woo! La! Woo! Grabe linog! Grabe! Pagkakusuga agad! Woo! Woo! Grabe! Grabe linog! Diyos ko! Woo! Dong, iyo pang blank ka dong! Iyo pang breaker! Grabe kusuga! Woo! Grabe! Suga sa linog eh!
Linog pa dyan. Linog, linog, linog. Linog. Linog ko, ito ko. Ala. Tuwas yan. Iok ng upuan yan. Saka. Kita sa itong mga pwede ko sa computer. Linog!
Lord!
Tago! Tago! Lord, tama na Lord! Lord! Tama na Lord! Ayan, relax lang. Ah, Lord! Ah! Tago! Tago! Lord, tama na Lord! Lord!